Hello and welcome to this walk around video of our 1986 Volkswagen Golf Mark II GTI, finished in Mars Red. One former keeper from new, 68,000 miles on the clock. Full comprehensive service history with all previous MOTs. It's a very original, very straight, honest car. It's in really good condition throughout. I would go so far as to say it's all in original paint. As you can see by the panel gaps, everything meets as it should. It's extremely straight. Bumper is in line as it should be. Badge still in place. I mean, nothing's been taken off of this car. It's never been taken apart. I mean, look how straight that is. 14-inch Volkswagen steel wheels, or steelies as some people call them. We've had those professionally refurbished. They've been acid dipped, powder coated and oven baked, so they are like new. It's also wearing a set of Yokohama tyres, matching, all with very good tread, recently replaced. There's no crack into the sidewalls. All original glass. My camera wants to focus on that. It's not picking it up. It's got the registration stamped in the glass here. My camera's failing to focus on it. On the inside. Very original interior again. All as is left the factory. Headlining is tight, there's no sagging on the headlining. Very common problem on Mark IIs is the foam fails behind the headlining and it all sags down. That is all in good condition. Because it's been garaged throughout its life, I don't think the sun's broken it down very much, so. Door cards. I'll go around there and show you the other door card. And pop that bonnet. There you go. C95 KPU. So still all on original glass. Bear with me 1 second while I open the bonnet. We've just had the timing belt changed. That's been done at a VW specialist, and we've also had it serviced to manufacturer's specifications, 10W40 semi-synthetic oil and genuine Volkswagen oil filter. Show you the other door card. Common problem for rot is under the doors on the Mark II Golfs. As you can see, this door card is not loose. Another common problem. Have a look in the boot. We've got a car cover in here. Original safety kit. This is the mountain of service history we have for the car. Quite literally, a whole folder full. Massive amount of history with the car. Everything ever bought for it, any little parts, any MOTs, magazine features, it's all there. Let's lift up, let's get this out. Lift up the mat. Original sticker. Under the boot mat. Very dry. Dry as a bone. Parcel shelf. Parcel shelf all intact. Back to motors, south end on C. There you go. Hope we've covered every base we can for you. The sunroof. Let's not forget the sunroof. Beautiful on a day like today. Let's check all in there. There's no rot. Quite often you get corrosion inside here where water builds up. We can start it up. Battery light will stay on until you give it a rev. Heater blower works. All the electronics work, reheated windscreen, horn. There's no crunching. Goes into gear beautifully. No problems with any of the synchros. Again, another common problem with the Mark II Golf is the synchros. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, please feel free to give us a call, email us, message us on our social media channels @StarkClassics. Thank you.